Hello, my name is Amber, and I'm going to be showing you how to place holds and log in to the Early Childhood Resource Library catalog. First, make sure you're at our new website, which is earlychildhoodresourcelibrary.library.site. Once you're at our new page, you'll be able to scroll down, see any updates we have, our search tips, and our office hours. In the top right-hand corner, you can click the login button and you can put in your patron number and your password. You received these items when you signed up for the Early Childhood Resource Library. However, if you've forgotten them or don't remember where you put them, you can give us a call or an email and we will send you your patron number with a temporary password. So right now, you log in. And then you put in your password. In, and it'll say your name in the corner when you have successfully logged in. Then you can go to the main search bar and you can search whatever topic you're looking for, such as outer space. And then press search. And you can see over here every single item that the library has that has anything to do with outer space. And you can see if it is available or not available. When an item is available and you place a hold, you will not get an email notifying you that it is ready. It is available, so that means we will hold it for you for 2 business days, and you can come pick it up within that time period, or it will get placed back on the shelf. When an item is not available and you go on the wait list for it, you will receive an email when it has been returned to the library and it is ready for you to pick it up. You can also change your view this way, where it will have all the puzzles together, all the felt stories together, all the books together, all the games together, if that's an easier way for you to search. But if we go back to the original layout, and if you want to put the outer space box on hold, make sure you click the title and then press hold. And it will say, this title is now holding for you and will be held for 2 library business days. So then you press hold. This title is now holding for you and will be held for 2 library business days for pickup. You can also scroll down and see some more information about the item you have on hold. Like I said, if an item is not available, you can still put it on hold by clicking the title and doing the same process as before by pressing the hold button. Click hold, and it will say the hold has been placed, you are next in line. This means you will get an email notification when it has been returned to the library and it is ready for you to pick it up. When placing holds, please make sure you click the title and press hold. Do not add to list. This is sort of a wish list for yourself that the library staff do not see. So if you were to add this item to your list, you're not putting it on hold and the library staff will not be notified. Make sure you click the title and press hold. Once you have finished picking up your items, you can click to your name on the drop-down menu and click on My Account. And you can see the items that you have on loan and their due dates, and the items you have on hold. You're holding for this item, and I am waitlisted for this item. Then when you are finished, make sure you press log out. And then you are back to the library homepage. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And if you have any further questions, please call or email the Early Childhood Resource Library and we would be most happy to help you. Thank you.